Do you know you can get Hostinja 90% off plan with free domain in 2026 for up to 1 year? If you are planning to start a blog, business website, online store, or personal brand in 2026, don't pay the full price, because in this video I will show you exactly how you can claim the biggest Hostinja discount available right now. Before we begin, you will find the special discount link in the description below, along with the full step-by-step if you want the more details. Hostinja is one of the most popular web hosting providers in the world. It's known for its best affordable, beginner-friendly, fast, and reliable. With Hostinja, you will get features like 3SSL, one-click WordPress installation, fast website performance, 24-hour support, and a reasonable plan, plus free domain. That's why millions of website owners choose it. Here is how to get the discount. Click the special Hostinja link in the description of this video or the one in the pinned comment. It will redirect you to this article. From this article, you can read the article if you want, but if you scroll down, you will see where you can claim the 90% discount. Just tap on the claim your Hostinja 90% discount or any of these two links. It will redirect you to where you can claim the offer, as you can see. So from here now, you choose the plan you want. It comes with free domain for 1 year. So after choosing the plan you want, then add your information, and that's all.